What you saying, guys? It's Dante back with another video, and today's video is going to be on a pair of Evisu jeans I copped. And yeah, I did cop another pair. Honestly, I wasn't trying to, but I was on my phone, an ad popped up, and this pair of Evisu jeans looks super crazy, so I just had to cop. But let's get right into the video, man. You know, before I get into the video, I have to do a quick fit check. And right now, I'm not wearing anything too crazy. Very calm, very back in the day throwback type of fit, you know, plain and simple. So right now I'm wearing a white tee, as you can see, plain white tee from Uniqlo, and I actually have a video for you guys coming on that. And this chain, I actually got this for Christmas, so thank you for who got me this chain. And a fitted Toronto Blue Jays in the red, man. Yeah, so let's get into the video. So this is the box that the Evisu jeans came in, and unlike the last pair of Evisu jeans that I got, this one isn't decorated at all, just a plain box, which I was expecting a decorated box just because I thought Evisu just gives you a decorated box, but I guess not. The last pair I did get was a special edition, so I'm guessing that's why they decorated the box, but honestly, it's a good thing they didn't, because imagine someone seeing that it said Evisu on it and stole it. Because the last one is very decorated, has a Evisu logo, has, you know, design all over it. So someone easily could have stole that just because if they knew the brand Evisu. But yeah, it's honestly not a smart idea. But let's get into it. As you can see, this is a pair of Evisu jeans right here, and it is in the indigo color. And I originally wanted my first pair in the indigo, but it did sell out at the time, and God knows what he's doing, because I'm much happier with this purchase. I think it's much better than the die cock with the big arch seagull on the back. And I'm gonna show you why. Man, this pair is crazy. Man, the detailing. There's multiple pockets on this one. Different color seagulls painted on each pocket. And for you that don't know, these arches are seagulls. That's what they're representing. And they're hand painted. Leather God patch logo, as you guys know. They're on most pair of Evisu jeans. Button fly. And man, this is the 2000 baggy fit. So Evisu does their fits with a numbering system, and the 2000 is their baggy fit jean. And man, I'm so happy I caught this one. The detailing, the craftsmanship, the overall quality, I'm just very happy I caught this one, man. Like, I'm just, man, if you know how I feel like a kid just having this, man. A kid in a candy store with this one, man. Man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. For the sizing, I did go double my size. So my size is a 32. On the last pair of Evisu jeans, I got 33. So for this one, I wanted it baggy when I seen it, because I wanted it like those old school Evisu jeans. So I had to double the size, and honestly, it's not too big on my waist, which I really like it's not falling off. If I don't want to wear a belt, I don't have to. But throughout the pants, it is wider when you go up 2 sizes. So if you want that baggy fit, or as baggy as you could possibly get it where it still fits your waist, I would suggest you going up 2 sizes. Regardless, I would suggest you to go up at least 1 size. But if you want that baggier fit for your jean, go up 2 sizes with the Evisu jeans. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the on body and how it looks on me. I hope you guys liked this video and the review I did on my Evisu jeans. And if you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see you guys in the next video. Easy.